the first letter of each word in Edabit. The question reads, create a method that takes a string as an argument and converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Return the newly formatted string. So in here it shows 4 examples. In each one, it takes the one long string and then takes the sentences of the word and then makes each first letter of each word capital. In the code section, it just shows a string for the input and returning a string. It's the to uppercase method in the resources, and that's what we're using to solve this problem. Okay, so we're going to have one string. We're going to call it a new string and set it to nothing. And then here we're going to have a string array, and we're going to call it words. And this is going to take the input and it's going to split. I'm going to put it into this array. And then we're splitting it by each individual space. And now in a for loop, we're going to have running for the length of words. Words still have length. So our standard for loop, each time the code runs, we're going to take our new string and we're going to add a substring. We're going to add a substring of the first character, and then we're going to add a substring of the second character. We're going to have a second string of the first character, and then we have a second substring of this second character over here. And then we're going to join the two together, and we'll add a space at the very end. Once you add all these spaces together, then you'll form the sentence in the new string. That's what we're going to do. Of I dot substring. And we're going to do 0, 1. This will just take the first character. And we're going to use the to uppercase method, which will convert to the uppercase. And I'm going to add that to the same sort of thing. It's going to be a word I dot to substring. And then from here, we're simply going to go in 1. And then we don't need an ending. So all we'll do is take 1 and everything else to the right of it. And we'll add a space at the end, right here. So now everything will be added up and neatly. And at the very end, we're just going to return the new string. So you can see our code is very classy, it's very clean, and run. I also add some. So I forgot to add this dot trim method. And what the dot trim method does is it gets rid of the space at the very end, and that allowed our code to work. We look at our solution, and it's very, very clean.